Shrimati Nemcha Kipgen, Deputy Chief Minister Designate.
I,
Nemcha Kipgen, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties as a Deputy Chief Minister for the state of Manipur, and that I will do right to all manner of people accordance with the Constitution and the law without fear or favor, affection or ill will.
I,
Nemcha Kipgen, do swear in the name of God that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person or persons any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as a Deputy Chief Minister for the state of Manipur, except as may required for the due discharge of my duties as such minister.
thank you, Nemcha ji.
क्यों?